What's up, YouTube? We're back at it. Day 2 of repairing the Yamaha. Yeah, we're gonna somehow figure out a way to stuff that in this Yamaha.
That's a nice.
Yeah. This right here.
Oh,
right here. Yeah.
That. Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna put this in there.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
Not this. Got it.
A little confusion. Yeah,
A little
I can
confused.
see that.
Oh well, it came in.
Sure did.
We're ready to rock.
Ready to rock. Suppose you better lift her up a little bit, huh? I'm just gonna lift it up. A little bit of
We're ready to rock.
jack in.
And we're ready to crock, baby. 2-wheel drive, though.
Oh, yeah. No running tonight. We don't need that 4-wheel.
So this isn't a tutorial, so to speak. We're not doing a tutorial on how to fix your brakes.
Nope.
The only thing it really is a tutorial on is a tutorial in struggling. So yeah. So in the first part of this video, we asked a question about lubricants in your vehicles, such as your quads, cars, and trucks. And we asked what your favorite was. Today's question is, do you like my mustache? Went with something new today. So let me know in the comments. Should the mustache stay or should the mustache go? You get to be the judge.
My vote is it stays. It stays.
Also want to shout out to Diamond Dave, my dad, for the inspiration on the stash. My dad's had a mustache pretty much for his whole life. So
Born with it.
born with it. Came out looking like this. So thanks, Dave. So the first step, as always, disregard safety. I know we have some jack stands. I think they're right over there.
Oh, weird.
Safety third, baby. Now, if this was TikTok and they saw us lifting this 4-wheeler without those in the back, they'd put a disclaimer on it saying, hey, the actions in this video could result in some adverse health effects, up to and including death. I mean, they're not 100% wrong, but they're also not right. I'm not going to shit on TikTok too hard, but come on, guys.
TikTok needs to get their shit together.
Yeah, they really do. I guess the old bean counters over there at TikTok are upset with us. Their bean count, 0.
Let's see if I can get this to stay where I want it. Oh, that's sharp.
Well, we know now.
Sure do.
This is sort of like a 2-for-1 bonus video. You basically get to watch us do this whole job, or watch Ryan do the whole job. And we had a messed up caliper. So, ordered one, ready to rock, ready to crock.
Ready to cry.
Yeah, that's right. Speaking of crock, that was a crock of shit. So, caliper came in. It's been, 2-3 days?
Yeah.
2 days, 3 days. I don't remember when we did it, but
It's been some days.
it's been a couple of days. 3 days.
Yeah.
We're back at it again.
I think it's been a week since we did this, but
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I don't know.
yeah, the caliper didn't come when they said I was going to.
Oh, that's right. That's right. This is supposed to be, on Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we did this on...
It's here today, though.
Yeah, it's now...
Yay. They made it.
Was it Tuesday today? Wednesday. I don't know. It's Wednesday. So it's been...
Apparently.
Yeah, we did this last Wednesday. It was supposed to be here Saturday. Now it's here. Wednesday. So yeah, whole week. A whole week has gone by.
Yep. tasty.
Beautiful.
Thanks. You're not bad looking yourself.
Hey, thanks.
No washers on there. Good. Oh, fuck. Don't want to throw that around.
I found it. It's right there.
That looks like the used one.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's brand new.
All right. Oh, I've heard of the legend, but to see it in real life, who needs to stop? Just go faster. It's always safety third here at the R&R show.
What's number one?
Ooh, I don't know what number one is.
Fun.
Fun? Fun is one.
Fun is one.
Going fast is number two.
Yep.
Safety is number three.
If we're not having fun, what's the point?
Right.
And sometimes, you know, you'd like to have a little freedom over safety.
Yeah, exactly.
Don't fucking think what you're thinking. But also think what you're thinking.
Yeah. Just kidding, kids, though. If you're going to ride one of these, wear a helmet. Don't be dumb.
Yeah, I fucking wear a helmet. Anything besides a car.
And sometimes in a car.
I guess.
All jokes aside, if you're riding a quad, you're out on the trails, don't be stupid. Wear a helmet. Have fun, but
Yeah.
don't be stupid.
If you're on a bike, same thing.
Just for the slide, not for the ride.
Mm-hmm.
You might look cool in your little t-shirt and jeans, penny loafers, but...
Ask me about how well jeans work to
Yeah.
stop road rash.
Right. Yeah, Ryan had a little boo-boo once upon a time.
Yeah. It was fun.
Yeah, I bet it was. And we're back. We found a knife.
It's a knife. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Ooh.
All that.
Pretty empty.
Oof.
Don't spill.
Yeah. Nicely done.
Start with that. Put this back so I don't forget it. Someone doesn't cut their goddamn hand off.
Ooh. What do we have here?
That's for lunch. That's my lunch.
For now.
We are now. You gotta find a screwdriver.
Had to follow the rules, take another cuss break.
Yep. It's always Phil's lips.
Phil's lips feel good when they're not chipped. Don't believe me? Look at this break.
Alright. Did I put that wrench back?
I think so.
I did, that's right.
Don't you hate when you put tools away and all of a sudden you're like, where the hell did I put it? Oh, away? Well, farts.
So, if you look here, let's move this pad out of the way. Oh, I can't, because it's still in there. This, it's not supposed to look like that. That cylinder is well used.
Oh boy,
Oopsies.
yeah. Chuck that in the junk pile.
Oh well.
Look at that though, that is nice. That looks good as hell.
Mm-hmm.
Shiny, functioning.
Yep.
Now it's time to slap a wheel on there. Oh. All right. Couple days and a couple of cuss breaks later.
We didn't cuss.
Oh yeah, well,
We never cuss.
we never cuss. We say that, but really we go and just take a minute.
Just one though. Well, don't worry, we'll torque them on the ground. Calm down.
We knew what you were thinking. Hey, make sure those are torqued to spec. We will.
300 foot-pounds, here we come. That'll be enough to lower it. Jesus, who cranks this thing so damn tight? Oh. There it is, folks. We lied. We're not torquing it down. Just kidding. We are.
We are.
Just want to see if we can get some
Get some help for that. Oh.
torque wrench. It's in the box over there. The blow molded box for it.
Oh, let's go over to the fucking workbench. This one's mine. It's not as fancy, but it's gonna work. It's also really frustrating because it goes in increments of 25, which is like the dumbest thing I've ever seen.
Tecton.
Yep, got that bad boy when I was a fledgling mechanic there at Ford. I got the job and they go, "You got tools, right?" And I was like, "Of course I do." I didn't have anything. So I spent the little money me and my new wife had and bought myself a bunch of tools. And she asked, "How much is it going to be?" I said, let's just say like $150. She says, "Oh, that's not so bad."
Yeah. Well, I'm not using this.
Yeah. It's more of a sentimental piece than anything.
Here it is.
Yeehaw! Well,
Let's see how full this is. Fill it up a little more.
Hmm.
It's a strange thing.